Guys, looky. So today we just have received an empanada from Tita Malu. This is what they call the Malu's empanada. And this is what I'm gonna taste today. And look at that, it's still hot. I just got it. So we'll try it out. Kung lami ba ni ang empanada ni Malu. So watch this video, guys, to learn more about another, one of those new businesses na ni-sprout because of the pandemic. So why not, diba? Naghanigid kayo mga creative na mga Cebuanos na stuck at home, and then instead of just doing nothing, they started cooking once again, and even selling and sharing what they can make. So let's try this out. Empanadas, guys. So it's basically a pastry with fillings. So marag pastry with fillings. Fillings without lamigod kayo na pwede ni pang snacks, pero kung mga dagko man eh, basig paniud to, mahappy na ka. So let's go, guys, let's taste. Yan na, empanada, guys. Dagko siya tanawa. Alright, guys, it's time to taste Malu's empanada by Monica Malu. Uy, kakuan, hayag. Alright, hayag kayo. Suwaw kayong adlaw, pero morning Malu's empanada. And ato na ning tilawan. Of course, kinahanglan empanada man ni feeling, ikuan, nabrihan. Musta yung cross section. Mana? Kung makakita, ay, hayag na kayo diha. Order lang. So, kita mo, ana. So, na siya patatas, carrots, itlog, karne. Mot kayo. Usahay na pa rin pasas, usahay sa uban. Importante ani basically ang kung lami na empanada is ang pastry niya nang lami pagkaluto, medyo crunchy. Dayon ang iyang sulod must be delicious. Makalingaw ni, this really traditional na mga ingredients. May pagkahimo, good size, tanong size. Empanada na to ay. Mukha lang kag usa duha ani. Kay mainom kahapon ang juice, coke, kape. Versatile lagi ni. Busog na kay ka. Lagi uban ilan yung himuong paniud to. So of course, this packed with nutrients, nanang go, grow, and glow, nanay carbs, basically the pastry, na protein from the meat, nanay mushrooms, and of course, ang glow food, na rich in nutrients, maos na asa, mga carrots, yan ay mushroom, carrots, and patatas. Sumana. Good kayo. Sumana lang, I'll just put the ordering information sa description. But, nag-enjoy ko sa empanada ni Tita Malu. May pagka-mince, kay nindot kayo yung ingredients, bakit? Pare-pareho rag size tanan, ang potato gitarong og mince gid na gagmay. Yan ang carrots gagmay sa astagay ng itlog. Mabag gitad-tad yun on equal sizes. Even the mushroom. Plus, niabot nila ako na init-init pa, lami gyal. Plus, kung ganahan mo, init ninyo, you can use a toaster or microwave. Kung ganahan nyo ka, pwede frying pan, pwede ka dibutang mantika para mo init lang. low heat lang para hindi isad mapagod ang imong pastry. Pero yes, so far so good. I really enjoyed it. So as I said, daghan gid kay mga nanggawas tungod sa pandemic. Nindot kay na kuan ba na daghan kay naka-adjust by creating really delicious food for all of us. And I'm sure kamo sad you have more time na sa balay. I think some of you have tried cooking it. So share sad kung balay mo mapatok sa chess mga Cebuano. So support lang ito sa local nato ng mga businesses, mga small businesses, tinabangay ta. And of course, like their page, enjoy, share to your friends, let people know. That's how we can help each other. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And see you na sa sunod natong mga food adventures. Bye.